Friends, thank you for watching my channel. I just want to remind you, if you need wallpaper, go to www.wallpaperboulevard.com. Tell them Spencer sent you. In fact, if you use my hashtag, Spencer Colgan is wallpaper, they'll be sure to give you 10% off at your checkout. No matter how much you order, they have a wide selection of wallpaper. Check it out. So you put your second coat of Skimcoat on, you perfect your wall, and you're waiting for it to dry, and for all practical purposes, you think you're done. Until, of course, you come to the wall and you flash a light on the wall and you see all of your imperfections, right? Things that you can't see by looking at the wall straight on. Okay, you get the picture, right? Now, if you skim coat a lot and your arm just can't take it that day or that night, whatever, I'm going to show you a way to give your arms a break and use different muscles, and to help you go pretty quickly applying the skim coat if you're working alone. All right, it's a common method used. It's not reinventing the wheel. It's something that a lot of us do, but it's something you may never have seen. So let me show you what I do. Okay, so I got myself a roller, and actually I got myself a brand new roller. This is a durable Purdy. The steel is very strong. It's not going to bend on me. And I'm going to dip the roller into the compound and roll it on, rather than constantly dragging that mud with your strong arm. It gets very painful after a while. And this allows you to use two arms, your back, your hips, and it takes all of the weight off of that one arm. Okay, let me just show you guys. So I make the mud really soupy. You see that? Believe it or not, this stuff gets dry. Once you start putting it onto the wall, what happens is the wall sucks the water out of it. So you'll have to add water, believe it or not. Okay? That's a loose pancake batter.
These other walls did R35. A lot different. A lot easier on the back and the arms. So I spread it out about 5 feet. Okay, see that? And now I'm just going to do what I always do. Grab the hawk. Now, it would help if your helper did what I just did with the roller. The difference is that the weight isn't in your hand. It's on the wall. And when you wet it down, look at the added benefit. Look at that finish. Now let's take a look at it with the light, right? Look at that. Beautiful.
I give this a major thumbs up. Save you a lot of time and a lot of pain. Thanks for watching. Isn't it beautiful?